In this video, I will show you everything HubSpot can do and why it's one of the leading CRM systems worldwide. You will learn how to manage your customer relationships, automate your sales process, and run your business even more efficiently.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hi, my name is Tim and I'm an online marketing manager at WPWA Digital. As an official HubSpot Platinum partner, we will help you with anything regarding HubSpot. First, what is HubSpot? HubSpot is a central platform for managing your customer relationships. You can manage contacts, companies, sales opportunities, service requests, emails, meetings, and much more in one place. All activities related to your contacts are automatically documented. You always have a complete overview of what has happened and what the next steps are. You can always start with the free version and later expand it with additional hubs such as marketing, sales, service, operations, or commerce. Second, contacts and companies. At the heart of HubSpot are your contacts and companies. Every contact has a dedicated profile containing all important information: name, job title, email address, phone number, website, address, and any custom fields you create. The contact record also shows all activities in a continuous timeline. Sent emails, logged calls, scheduled meetings, notes, open tasks, active deals, and uploaded documents. You can associate contacts with companies and instantly see who your key contacts are and what deals are currently active. You can also fully customize company records, adding fields for things like customer numbers, contact duration, or any other specific information you need. HubSpot also helps you maintaining data quality. The system automatically detects duplicates and suggests merging contacts or companies. Breeze AI analyzes your data and recommends adding missing details or cleaning up inactive contacts. This keeps your database clean and up to date. Third, sales pipelines and deals. One of the most popular features is the visual sales pipeline. You can create a deal for every sales opportunity and move it between stages simply by dragging and dropping it. You can create as many pipelines as you need for different products, regions, or teams, and define every stage of your sales process. The sales workspace pulls all important information together. You can see your most important deals, tasks, contacts, and appointments in one place. This saves time and makes day-to-day sales work much more efficient. Fourth, tasks, workflows, tickets, and forms. You can create tasks manually or directly from emails and meetings. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and add comments. With workflows, you can automate repetitive tasks. For example, a new lead can automatically receive a welcome email, be assigned to a sales rep, and if there's no response, trigger an automatic follow-up reminder. The advanced workflows allow you to create complex conditions and branching logic without any coding. You can also use forms to automatically add new contacts from your website to the CRM. Internal forms are possible too, for example, for event registration or support requests. For customer service, there is the ticket system. You can track service requests centrally, visualize them in a dedicated service pipeline, and monitor their status at any time. Each ticket contains all relevant information and is assigned to a responsible team member. Enjoying the video so far? Show us some love with a like. And if you don't want to miss any HubSpot tips or updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have you ever heard about our newsletter? It keeps you up to date with the latest HubSpot news. Only relevant content, no spam, we promise. You will find the sign-up link in the video description. Now, back to the video. Fifth, Breeze AI and lead scoring. HubSpot has long offered traditional lead scoring. You can assign points, for example, when a contact fills out a form or visits a specific page. This helps you quickly identify which leads are most likely to convert. With Breeze AI, this process becomes even smarter. Breeze analyzes your data in real time and gives you concrete suggestions on which leads should be prioritized, where you should follow up, and which sales activities are most promising. Breeze also supports you in creating content for emails, social media posts, and campaign ideas. It detects trends, helps clean up your database, and suggests filling in incomplete profiles. This allows you to work efficiently and data-driven while saving valuable time. Communication, meetings, and email tools. With HubSpot, you can send emails directly from the CRM, log calls, and schedule meetings. All messages are automatically assigned to the correct contact. The meeting note-taker is especially useful. It automatically detects online meetings via Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, transcribes them, and creates a summary of the key discussion points. HubSpot also offers email templates and snippets. You can insert standardized responses or text blocks with just a few clicks. With email tracking, you can see if and when a customer has opened your email or clicked on links. Reporting and mobile app. The Reports and Dashboard tool shows you all your key metrics in real time. Whether it's leads, revenue, open deals, or team activities, you can decide which data matters most to you. The custom dashboard lets you design your homepage based on your priorities, so you can focus on what's important to you. You also have the full access on the go. With the mobile app, you can manage contacts, update deals, create tasks, or send emails, all fully synchronized in real time. 8. Conclusion. HubSpot offers you a modern, flexible, and powerful platform for all your customer relationship management needs. Whether you are a small business or a global enterprise, HubSpot grows with you and your business. Short advertisement on our own behalf. If you want to learn more or need help getting started, feel free to reach out by scanning the QR code or via the first link in the description and book a free initial consultation.